Hi everyone, my name is Drica. I've been a pharmacy technician for over 9 years and recently became a travel pharmacy technician, which I love so much. It has allowed me to work in some incredible places. Today I want to take you through a day in the life as a chemo tech. So as a pharmacy technician and working in an inpatient hospital, you do have different roles. Today I am the chemo tech. I will be spending a lot of my time in the clean room preparing for chemotherapy medications for patients, and one of the most rewarding things is being able to deliver the medications that I made to the nurses for the patients. Now, if you are someone considering starting a career as a pharmacy technician, let me tell you about Stepful's 100% online program. What I love about Stepful's online program is how flexible and student-focused their program is. You can study at your own pace from the comfort of your home. They provide everything you need to succeed with interactive lessons, practice exams, and real-world insights to prepare you for your exam. Now, once I'm done with my chemo prep, I love to help out wherever is needed, whether that's delivering meds to our pictures machine, restocking for the nurses, or help unloading the McKesson order. Then right after our pharmacy meeting, I was greeted with some cookies my coworkers baked for us. Y'all, these were so good. And then it was the next day. Today I am called the runner, so I am delivering all medications to the unit. Also, I am going to be refilling the Pyxis machine. So cute. So right now I'm on my way to deliver some methylprednisolone, and y'all, this medication is so cool. So the liquid and the powder are separated by a marble, and in order to mix it, you have to press down on the top firmly. This will push the marble down, breaking the seal between the liquid and the powder. And another cool thing I love about being a travel pharmacy technician is you get to learn about the different drugs that are considered a narcotic. So propofol is considered a narcotic in Tennessee. And then I ended my shift pre-packing some of valsartan, and this is what it looks like once it's all pre-packed. And that was it for my day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something new and found something interesting. Bye guys.